Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed about valency bond theory. In this class, I am going to discuss one important concept in chemical bonding chapter, that is hybridization. We know, according to valency bond theory, a bond is formed by the overlapping of atomic orbitals. That means atomic orbitals participating in the formation of chemical bond. And also, the theory could not explain the geometrical shapes of polyatomic molecules like NH3, H2O, CH4, like that. That's why, to explain the geometrical shapes of molecules, polyatomic molecules like NH3, H2O, CH4, Pauling introduced hybridization concept. According to hybridization concept, hybrid orbitals participating in the bond formation. But according to valency bond theory, atomic orbitals participating in the bond formation. Let us discuss what is hybridization. Intermixing of atomic orbitals of an atom gives a new set of orbitals known as hybrid orbitals, and this phenomena is called as hybridization. What is hybridization? Intermixing of atomic orbitals of an atom gives equal number of new set of orbitals known as hybrid orbitals. This phenomena is called as hybridization. Let us discuss rules for hybridization. First one, atomic orbitals of same atom involving in hybridization. Atomic orbitals same atom but not different atoms. And the orbitals which are participating in hybridization having same energy or almost same energy. What orbitals participating in hybridization? Those orbitals energy must be same or almost same. Okay. Next one. The number of hybrid orbitals formed is equal to the number of orbitals hybridized. That means if two orbitals intermixed, then two hybrid orbitals are formed. If x orbitals intermixed, then x hybrid orbitals are formed. That's why number of hybrid orbitals formed is equal to the number of atomic orbitals intermixed. Okay. Next one, all the hybrid orbitals having same energy and same shape. Okay. Next one, the angle between any two hybrid orbitals is same, and the angle is known as bond angle. Okay. Next one, hybrid orbitals forms sigma bonds and unhybrid orbitals forms pi bonds. Hybrid orbitals form sigma bonds and unhybrid orbitals forms pi bonds. Next one, completely filled orbitals or half filled orbitals are empty orbitals involving in the hybridization. Completely filled orbitals or half filled orbitals or even empty orbitals also involving in hybridization. Okay. So these are the some rules in hybridization. So there are different type of hybridization. See, sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3d hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, d2sp3 hybridization. There are different types of hybridization. Okay.